Oh, hey everybody. Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, I have some awesome new tech that's going to make life a little bit more efficient, a little bit more fun, and sound a little bit better. Shall we check it out? Let's do it. Hey everyone, what's up? And welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'll be your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for joining. Hey, if you could do me just one little favor, if you like these videos, give us a like. And if you really like these videos, subscribe. And if you do that, how about turning on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. All right, as I mentioned on today's episode, we're going to be talking about technology that is going to make your life more fun, more easy, and sound better. What could do all those things? It's the wireless microphone made by AnkerWork, the M650, and it has a lot of neat features, incredible design, and interactability with how it's stored and the features and accessories that come along with it. And we're going to check out all that stuff right now because we're going to unbox the AnkerWork M650 wireless microphone set. You know, in our industry, because we do TV and stuff, they're called lavaliers or lavs, wireless lavs. Anyway, let's unbox the microphones. We're gonna go this way. The AnkerWork M650 wireless microphone featuring professional noise cancellation. Free yourself to create on-the-go content with AnkerWork's VoiceShield. This is trademark technology that works excellently for noise cancellation. You can record confidently with natural low or high settings and a windproof cotton cover screen. There are replaceable colors that you attach with a magnetic design. This is finally something that is hitting the market for the first time, a wireless lavalier microphone that works with your wardrobe. Swap between 3 colorful covers, metallic black, soft gold, and dark jade, and attach magnetically or clip onto your outfit. There's also dual-channel lossless pickup. With dual-channel lossless sound pickup, you can record 2 sound sources at the same time. And for super long projects, store up to 7 hours of uncompressed audio with no hard drive required. The TrueLink technology allows 656 feet or around 200 meters of transmission. The LC3 Plus codec powers TrueLink technology so you can record ultra-wide shots with 656 or around 200 meters of wireless transmission and super low delays for less lip syncing and post-production. Pretty much you just open up and use it. Record the wireless lavalier microphone right away with an embedded touchscreen to customize your settings. The transmitters and receivers are easy to pair, and you get Lightning and USB accessories for no hassle connections. There's also up to 15 hours battery life with the charging case. When you're putting overtime on a shoot, the wireless lavalier microphone keeps up with 6 hours on a single charge or 15 hours with the charging case.
And here, both are working. I don't have them connected to me, but I'm close enough that they're able to receive sound. Oh, I want to be careful that I actually don't peak. You can see it peaks when you go into yellow, and that's when you're going to get into some dangerous territory, and there are ways to mix that in post also, but you can see that you can speak at a completely normal volume, and it works just fine.
Alright, so everything is pretty much ready to go when you open the case. And you can see we still have 3/4 power. It turns on, and the microphones, once you pair them, are seen in the screen right here. I want to connect this to my iPhone, so we have this adapter right here. And all we have to do is line that up in the back over here, turn counterclockwise, and now this is ready to plug into my phone.
Recording is a snap. All you have to do is press the button. And when you're done recording, just press again. You can actually control the gain on here. Let's turn it up because I want my audio to be nice and crisp. And all other menu settings are accessible by swiping, like noise reduction. You have different settings for low and high. You can also choose between stereo and mono. Just press the button
you're outside and you're worried about noise, you can actually add a windscreen using this connector port right there. And this is going to protect you when you're outdoors if it's windy and there might be microphone interference. And depending on what you're wearing and what you choose, you can also switch out the cover cap by turning it and rotating it. And then when you're done, just put everything back in the box, close it, and then use, if I can find it, there it is, use the USB-C port to connect that directly to your computer, and you can download all the audio. Alrighty, so I have here one of the wireless microphones. My receiver is already connected to my iPhone. Everything pairs automatically, and you have some options here. Check this out, see? This is magnetic. So that means if you're wearing a jacket or a coat or an article of clothing that allows you to place the magnetic piece and you clip, your microphone will go wherever it's needed to go, which is a pretty neat feature. We're just going to clip to the top of my shirt right now. The microphone is also quite adept at picking up volume very decently. You have many options actually to set once you connect your receiver to your computer and you download your software. There are options for noise reduction, there's options for capping the gains in the microphone, there's actually a little equalizer you can play with, a lot of different things. And I'm watching the transmitter right now because its LED interface allows me to see if I'm actually peaking or getting into a dangerous sound level. And right now, because the microphone is placed so close to my mouth, I'm able to speak quietly and consistently and see that the levels are working out just fine. You can also actually connect the receiver and use a microphone to get audio to go directly to your computer, which is a really neat function. Like I've said, everything is elegant, very well designed, and the fact that it turns on automatically, it pairs automatically, and then you can just download the software from the Anker website and get everything exported audio-wise so you can use it in other programs. Very convenient, very easy to use, and very high quality. Alright, so we have connected the charging case, which contains the receiver and the two microphones, directly to my computer. And as you can see here, we have our settings for it, and we see how much storage each microphone has. We're talking 7 hours worth of storage, which is very impressive. And it also allows you to use a microphone directly without having to use the receiver. So very handy. And the fact that you can just download, and if you have a professional editing software like Final Cut or Premiere, that is where you export your audio, pair it with the video, and then you're good to go. Clothing that allows you to place the magnetic piece and you clip, the microphone will go wherever it's needed to go, which is a pretty neat feature. So I have my Anker microphone connected to the receiver, and I've been playing with a lot of the different settings that you have with the program. Everything is going really well. You know, I have my window open right now, and you can't really hear a lot of audio interference because I have noise cancellation turned on, and that's taking the sound of street traffic down to, I'd say, pretty much nothing, which is really fantastic. I can check my audio levels on the receiver and see that I'm not peaking. There's gain control. You have settings to actually customize the level of the audio that you have. A lot of neat features, and as long as you download everything, you have your low pass filter, you have stereo versus mono, there's different levels of noise reduction, a lot of thoughtful features that allow you to do a lot of cool things with your dual microphone set. Just wish I had somebody to interview right now. That'd be a lot of fun too. All right, so what a cool demo. Am I right? That was pretty neat. If you'd like to find out more about the microphone, there's a link in the description below. Please click on that. I think that just about wraps it up for today's video. I'd like to give a big shout out to Anker for sending us the AnkerWork M650 wireless microphone set. Link in the description below. Go take a look. Pretty please. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more Good Tech Cheap. I'll see everyone next time. For now, from Los Angeles, California, stay kind, be cool, bye-bye.